Have you ever wanted to change eye color? If not, then turn the video off now. No, I'm just kidding. No, but changing the eye color is so easy. And by just doing that, you can make someone look totally different. It's amazing. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Open up a photo, something where you have a nice clear view of the eyes and everything, a nice exposed photo, so you can definitely see the color of the person's eyes. And then after you do that, I want you to come down on the toolbar at the very bottom here, and I want you to edit in quick mask mode. So just click on that. And now we're in quick mask mode. And then what we're going to do here is zoom in to the eyes, right into the eyes. So select the zoom tool, okay? You can hit the Z key on the keyboard, do whatever you want to do, but you can select the zoom tool with the mouse and then come right over to the image and draw a selection over one of the eyes. And then just release the mouse after you've done that. Boom. And we zoom right into the eyes just like that, okay? All right, next, I want you to select a brush. I want you to select the brush tool on the toolbar, okay? After that, what we need to do is brush and paint over the eyes, okay? And when you do that, you will see the mask appear. It's the red mask, okay? You're probably used to seeing. And if you want to go a little softer on the brush, just click up here on the brush's preset picker, and you can actually decrease the hardness so you can just get a little better blend on the brush when you actually change the color, okay? I'll go ahead and click outside of that palette there to get it out of the way. And then I'll just go ahead and paint right on the eyes there, just like that, right on the eyes. And then I'll use the scroll bars here just to get to the other eye on the image. There we go, right there. Check it out. She's looking right at me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just going to go down here and I'm just going to go ahead and center the eye right there. And then I'm going to come right over the image and just paint over this eye. Okay, I'm going to paint over it just like that. And there we go. And then we're almost done. That's it. Okay, I want you to switch back to normal mode on the toolbar. Come right down here. Bam, normal mode. Her eyes become a selection. Now, I want you to come up here to view and go to actual pixels. There we go. And then if you, for this tutorial, I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit more, being that because I'm only working on an 800 by 600 resolution. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom out again and then maybe one more time. That looks pretty good right there. Okay, so we have a selection now since we switched back to normal mode. Okay, all you have to do now is just come up here to select and then inverse that selection and you will see the eyes will be the only thing selected in the image, and this will allow us to change the color of just the eyes and nothing else. That's what's so awesome. Come up here to image and then go to adjustments and then come down here to hue and saturation. We will control the hue, and by doing that we will change the color of the eyes. Now, there's a cool technique I want to show you here. It's a little conflicting when you have a selection and you're trying to change the color of something. It's a little hard to tell what the overall image is going to look like. Okay, well, to make the selection area go away, now it's not going to deselect it, but it's going to make it invisible. And in order to do that, come right up here to view and come down here where it says extras, and you can uncheck the extras option there, or you can come down here to show and then come over here and uncheck selection edges. Okay, I'm just going to come in here and do extras. And look at that. We don't see the selection, but the eyes are still selected even though you can't see it. Okay, anyways, let's come over here, the hue and saturation. And what we're going to do here is it's always a good idea, first of all, to just lower the saturation just a little bit, just to right about there, okay? Now, all we have to do is slide the hue and we will change the color of the eyes. It's that easy. I'm going to just go ahead and move this around. Just like that. We have purple eyes now. Check it out. And if you want the eyes to be more colorful, and keep in mind that, you know, if the eyes are a little too colorful, sometimes it won't look very realistic. So, but if you want to do that, go ahead and just come down here to the saturation, just up to saturation. Just go full blast, whatever. But, you know, I mean, we've got to keep it realistic. So I like to keep the saturation right about down here, you know, 40%, you know, 50%, minus 50%. And then I'll just move the hue slider. If I want her to have blue eyes, I'll go all the way over to there. And check that out. Check it out. This is before. And this is after. Isn't she beautiful? Wow. I'm going to go ahead and I can lighten up the eyes a little bit, darken them. You know, I can do whatever I want just by controlling these three sliders right here: hue, saturation, and lightness. And it's that easy to do, folks. That's all you have to do. And then we did it in Photoshop. Congratulations.